So after I gave my demo for Commodore Users Europe, some people were curious about how I do the relocation. What I actually use is this utility that I've written myself in BASIC. I call it the C64 OS Binary Relocator, and I've just made some improvements to it, so I thought I'd show it. So I will put in here, I'm already in the library directory, so I'll put in here fcopy.lib.r. First, it clears memory from C000 to C0FF, and then it scans the file and populates this page here with information that it finds in the file. So this does take a little bit of time because BASIC is not known for being speedy. Okay, so the scan is done. The library is 642 bytes, which means that's going to be a minimum of 3 pages. It'll be less than 3 pages, but it needs to relocate 3 pages. And then what it does is it uses the data that it read out of the file and filled into here to find 3 sequential pages into which it can be relocated. So these are the hex addresses for page numbers, and then this is the decimal number. So for example, I could assemble the fcopy lib to, I could assemble it to 2A00, and not only would it run from 2A00 without being relocated, but because it has been assembled to 2A00, it can also be relocated to any other page. So there you go. That's all that I do. Thanks for watching.